So, can anybody tell whether a number is divisible by another number without actually performing the division? Well, hello everyone, this is Payal and welcome to my channel Educatopedia. Today's video is all about basic divisibility rules. But before starting the video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. So, let's get started. Basic divisibility rules. These are the rules that let us test whether a number is exactly divisible by another number without doing a lot of calculations. We don't need to do any kind of calculation for this. These are the rules that let us test whether the number will be exactly divisible by another number or not. Now, if I want to know whether 723 is divisible by 3 or not, so I have two rules for that. Either I can try dividing 723 by 3, or I can use the divisibility rule of 3 to know whether it will be exactly divisible by 3. So let's start with the rules now. The first is divisibility by 2. A number is said to be divisible by 2 if the digit at its ones place is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Or we can say the number at its ones place is an even number. Now for example, 4728. Here the digit at the ones place of this number is 8, which is an even number. So it means that 4728 is divisible by 2. Now another example we have 1243. Now in this number the digit at the ones place is 3, which is not an even number. So 1243 is not divisible by 2. The next is divisibility by 5. A number is said to be divisible by 5 if the digit at its ones place is 0 or 5. For example, 6320. Here the digit at its ones place is 0. So 6320 will be divisible by 5. Another example that I have is 2567. Here the digit at the ones place of this number is 7. It's neither 0 nor 5. So 2567 will not be divisible by 5. Now next is divisibility by 10. A number is said to be divisible by 10 if the digit at its ones place is 0. For example, 1390. Here the digit at the ones place of this number is 0. It means 1390 will be divisible by 10. Another example that I have here is 4802. Here the number at the ones place is 2. It's not 0. So 4802 will not be divisible by 10. The next is divisibility by 3. Now, a number is said to be divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. That means if the sum of the digits of that complete number is divisible by 3, then that number will also be divisible by 3. I have an example here. Is 4,39,212 divisible by 3? So we have two steps for this rule. The step 1 is add all the digits of the given number. That means we have to add 4, 3, 9, 2, 1 and 2. And the result we will get 21. The second step is we will divide the sum. That means we will divide 21 by 3. And on dividing 21 by 3, we will get 7 as quotient and 0 as remainder. So it is clear here that 21 is divisible by 3. So the complete number 4,39,212 will also be divisible by 3. The next is divisibility by 9. A number is said to be divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Now you can see here the divisibility rule of 3 and 9 is completely same. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then that complete number will also be divisible by 9. Now the example that I have here is 88,26,921, we need to check if 88,26,921 is divisible by 9 or not. So to check this, we have two steps. The step 1 is add all the digits of the given number. We have to add the digits of the number. That means 8 plus 8 plus 2 plus 6 plus 9 plus 2 plus 1. And the result we will get here is 36. Then step 2 is divide the sum by 9. It means we have to divide 36 by 9. And on dividing 36 by 9, we will get 4 as quotient and 0 as remainder. So it is clear here that 36 is divisible by 9. It means the complete number 88,26,921 will also be divisible by 9. Now, the last but not the least is divisibility by 6. A number is said to be divisible by 6 if it passes the rule of 2 as well as the rule of 3. That means if the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then that number will be divisible by 6 as well. So the example that I've taken here is 42. To check whether 42 is divisible by 6, we need to check whether it is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. So to check the divisibility of 2, we will see the digit at the ones place. So here the digit at the ones place is 2, which is an even number. So 42 is divisible by 2. Now to check the divisibility by 3, we will add the digits of the number. That is, we will add 4 and 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now we will divide 6 by 3, and on dividing 6 by 3, we will get 2 as quotient and 0 as remainder, which clarifies that 6 is divisible by 3. Now we can see that 42 is divisible by 2 and 3 both, so it will be divisible by 6 as well. I hope these concepts would be clear to you. I have now provided some questions for you to check your understanding. Go through these questions and provide your answers in the comment section.